All right, fam. So I'm picking back up where I left off at 2 days ago. You know, life gets in the way. You're working full time. I mean, you're pulling doubles. So I'm about to get back into it. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I'm able to drill into this soil with my DeWalt power drill. Without breaking my wrists, because that's what's gonna happen here. Clearly I'm not using this tool the right way. I need a key chuck and an additional handle to hold this in position as I'm drilling. So being that I know that this has a lot of roots, we're gonna pass this and I'm gonna go get a long pointy tip spade. So I'm gonna bypass planting right now, and I'm going to put some more effort into creating this concrete paver border. So I'm just gonna go around and trace the length of these bricks. I know it's extra work, but I want this to look right. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint the new traced perimeter behind the 7-inch bricks. Perfect, right? Perfect, right? All right, so now I got my 7-inch trench dug for the bricks to lay in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay them all out, go get some extra bricks if I need to, and just kind of check out how it's looking at this point and see if I need to make any more adjustments. Every single brick has been laid. However, I still have adjustments to make because I've got roots that need to be taken out. I got pollinators all over the flowers. They're ready for me to hurry up and do what I gotta do so they can get to their business. So you guys see how difficult it was to dig a hole. So what I intend on doing is digging as deep as I can. Luckily the containers for these plants lets me know that the root ball isn't that big. So I don't necessarily have to dig a deep hole, just a hole. And I can always put the plant in and then mound the soil around it and then mulch it and let the roots do the rest of the work. So there's just one. So far, here's one hole that took me 5 minutes to dig. I got 8 boxwoods, so here we go, 7 more. That's good enough. Like I said, as long as I can break ground and provide a space for the roots to penetrate, we're good. Hey garden friends, thanks for hanging with me on this video. I just wanted to show you guys some of the challenges I had to go through in fighting the roots to get the border material laid and also to dig holes for the plants. So the next episode, I'll just show you guys the finished product where I put all the plants in the ground and I dress everything up with mulch. Until then, this is AJ's Green Thumb. Thanks for watching.